What is going on, you guys? Josh here from the DeFi guys. Got a brand new video for you guys today on a project known as Monstros Degenz. This is a very transparent project, was audited by Spywolf, fully doxed, and this was released on December 27th, and it's on the Binance Smart Chain. So what we do here is we essentially deposit BNB, and then we earn a daily payout that starts at a base of 2%. Now they reached out to me, the team that is, and they compensated me for this specific video. So I want to be 100% transparent in that. They also increased my daily payout of 0.5%. And there's ways that you can do that as well. So I want to let you guys know that up front. They have been a part of a lot of different projects that were fairly successful. So of course, as always, guys, deposit what it is that you can afford to lose. This is the wild west of crypto. This is a degen DApp. So just to understand that, but things are looking good since the 27th of December. You can see total deposits right here. Claimed is right here. Over $1 million in deposits, by the way. $190,000 in claimed. You can see the total liquidity right here. Very important to pay attention to. And you see the farming here, and you see the total marketing here. So I do like the fact that they are investing heavily into marketing to get the word out. Obviously, that's what we need to do as teams to be able to make profit and have our users make profit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this down step by step. We're going to go through, of course, the white paper or the wiki over here. So let's go ahead and let's start by doing that. By the way, if you like the idea of crypto passive income, you're a degen, you like to gamble in the DeFi space, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you tick that bell icon. I do earn referral rewards if you use my link below. That's 100% up to you. So you could say it says, welcome right here. Are you a DeFi enthusiast who loves the allure of profitable ROI dApps but hates enduring endless losses? Look no further than Monstros Degenz. And by the way, they've got a zero loss guarantee. So we're going to learn more about that in just a second. So make sure that you stay till the end of the video. If we go to phase one, you can see no lose guarantee. Phase one, when demand subsides and insufficient new funds flow into the Degenz, contract sustain delay payouts. The protocol will halt new deposits and reinvestments. Instead, it will transition all users who haven't reached their full profit cap until phase two, which is pretty dang cool. And I haven't really seen this with any other dApps out there. So this is the way phase two works with the no lose guarantee. Every depositor will have the opportunity to claim a special edition farms NFT representing the remaining owned or owed value in USDC and their fair total units, calculated from all deposits and reinvestments into the farm's working capital. Subsequently, they will begin receiving weekly airdropped USDC payouts of real yield, just like other farms NFT holders. There will be no team split on these NFTs, and owners will receive 100% of the yield. Once they have earned enough to satisfy their profit cap, the NFTs will be burned and they will no longer receive any form of payouts. If we go over here to deposits, you can see the breakdown. There is a minimum return of 150%, a maximum return of 300%, and 20%, of course, goes to referrals and marketing, 30% goes to working capital, and 50% goes to the actual contract. Well, you can see that the daily payout starts at 2% and goes all the way up to 6% if you are an NFT holder. So here's how it starts. You got a personal boost, which is max 2%, and plus 0.10% for each 5 BNB deposited or redeposited. Okay. So you've got Farms NFT, which gives you a 0.25%, Partner NFT, 0.25%, Castle NFT, 0.5%, Monstro NFT, 0.75%, Vault NFT 1%, and Kingdom NFT 1.5%. So you achieve that 6% by depositing more or redepositing, reinvesting, right? So if you reinvest and you buy the highest NFT, you can get to that 6% daily payout fairly quickly. So it's got some tokenomics that are much like Carol Finance, if you guys were a part of that. Unfortunately, that started really well and was good for about 2-3 months. And then it crashed fairly quickly when they went public with a token. But if you do things the right way, these dApps can be profitable. But the key, of course, is to get in early. And, hopefully this is something that lasts for many, many months to come. So this says claim or redeposit. I don't like to say reinvest because in this channel, we can't advise you guys to obviously reinvest. Legally, we can't do that. So I like to use the word redeposit. What you decide to do is completely up to you. This video, of course, is for entertainment and educational purposes only. So this video, and what I'm saying is not a way to tell you to actually get into this dApp. You got to do your own research at the end of the day. I know you guys have heard that many times, but I do have to make that apparent. So claim or redeposit. Unlimited claims as often as you like. Want to redeposit? We support an easy way to do that as well. The best part, no claim tax on all redeposits, and you receive a multiplier bonus on the redeposit amount, which can increase the maximum return from 150% up to 300%. And all claims are subject to a 5% tax. So again, depending on how many times you redeposit, you can earn up to 100%, which is 4x. Okay. And then you got your referral rewards right here. And then you've got the actual team right here. But you can see that with referral rewards, you actually earn between 5 to 20%, depending on how many people are not only under you, but how many redeposits and deposits take place. So you're going to earn every time somebody compounds, and you're going to earn every time somebody obviously deposits. Okay, so this is really, really powerful. You can see your base pay all the way up to, if it's 4,000 BNB, it's 20%. So affiliate marketing is super powerful. I do have a playlist below if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and start creating videos just like this. If you want to showcase projects, you can get paid for the projects to showcase them, and also you can get paid through referral rewards. Then you've got the team right here. Okay, and then this is just a simple thank you right here and access to their Discord, Twitter, and I will post that below as well. So let's go ahead and let's make a deposit right now. So just for now, just for a test deposit, we're going to do 0.4 BNB. And then an update video will probably most likely make another larger deposit. And we're just going to compound daily so we can hit that 4x, that 100% here. So we're just going to go ahead and confirm and give it just a second to confirm. And you can see that it says transaction successful. We can view the details over here, as you guys see right here. And if we refresh, I'm sure we will be able to see the availability that we can actually claim. So in my next video, we'll go ahead and we will recompound, and we'll further update you guys on anything that's going on with Monstro. And this is probably one of the top Degen projects that are out right now, to be honest with you guys. So again, with that being said, do your own research. Look forward to updating you guys. I'm loving the team because they are doing a really good job of investing into marketing to grow this. There's been a lot of YouTubers that have made really high quality videos around this. So I'm looking forward to seeing what happens with the future of this. So go ahead, subscribe, like, join my Telegram group below. Get started with affiliate marketing so you too can start earning some affiliate commissions in the world of crypto and outside of crypto. And go ahead and check out Monstros Degenz. See you guys.